My grandmother's secret recipe, which my whole family loves for breakfast. Let's start our recipe by cutting 2 tomatoes into very small cubes. Choosing ripe tomatoes is essential to ensure the recipe turns out even juicier and more flavorful. Once you're done cutting, set the tomatoes aside, as they will be the base of our delicious dish. In a frying pan, add a little olive oil. Next, add the tomatoes you just chopped. Now, let's season with a bit of salt and set aside. Next, let's cut another tomato in the same way as the previous one, into very small cubes. Tell me if you've made a similar recipe before. I'm sure you will love the final result. This time, we'll add this tomato to a bowl, where we'll mix in other ingredients to give our omelet its final touch. Then, take a spring onion and chop it finely. The spring onion will bring freshness and a mild flavor. Add the chopped spring onion to the bowl with the tomatoes. Next, let's prepare the eggs. Add 3 eggs to the bowl, a teaspoon of salt for seasoning, and 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix everything very well until the mixture is smooth and fluffy. Now it's time to transfer the egg mixture to the pan with the tomatoes. Pour the beaten eggs over the tomatoes and spread them out, covering everything. Let's add a special touch with cheese. Grate some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella melts perfectly and makes the omelet incredibly creamy. I'm sure this omelet will become a tradition in your family too. Once grated, add all the cheese on top of the egg and tomato mixture in the pan. The cheese will melt and create a golden and irresistible layer. Now, just let it cook for a few minutes until the omelet is fully cooked and the cheese has completely melted. You'll notice that the bottom of the omelet will be golden and crispy, while the top remains creamy and full of flavor. And there you have it. Our omelet is ready to be served. This secret recipe from my grandmother is everything you need to start your day on the right foot. Serve it hot, paired with a good cup of coffee, and maybe a slice of warm bread. This omelet is the perfect choice for a simple breakfast, full of love and flavor. You can bet that everyone in your house will ask for more. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe and if you'll make it at home. And don't forget to share it with anyone you know will love it too. Until the next recipe, and enjoy your meal.